So yan na po. So medyo nagpunta tayo ng Catholic churches. So ayan. So parang may church in this spot. Yan. Meron dito mga Spanish speaking. So yung kanilang ayun, parang ganda bubong nila. Small roads dito. So meron siyang nakasulat na 1841. Maybe this is built in 1841. Ayan. May sarili silang, I think this is castle. This is a castle. Museum park. This is what? Picture. This is the medyo highest peak sa areang old town ng Zagreb. So anyway, so ayan. So dito tayo sa Zagreb old town, sa highest part ng area nila. So ayan. Let's see. Thanks.